Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix your mobile crash problem, or if your phone is lagging, or your app is not working, home screen crash always, and very slow working, how you can fix in Realme phones. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video for more videos. So let's start. Go to the settings in your smartphone. Swipe down, you can see there is a sound and display and brightness. Swipe down, you can see there is a screen refresh rate. Then click on it, you can see there is a standard and high. It is 60 hertz display. If you want 60, it is in 60 hertz, and if you want to make it high up to 120 hertz, then simply have to click on this icon and your phone will increase, and it makes better performance. And if not, then you have to simply just restart your phone, and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.